Lip oils are expensive, so I'm going to show you how to fake it. Now, I take a pretty lipstick that's like liquid. This is a lip lacquer. I don't know if that helps. It's not matte, but I apply that pretty thick all over my lips. You can let this sit for however long. I like to do it as I do the rest of my makeup, but I don't have time for that. So take a tissue and carefully get it off. I really like a reddish hot pink shade because I think it gives like that perfect color. This one is Kiko Lip Lacquer Latex Shine in number 7, and it's like the best color for flushed lips. I also use it as a blush sometimes, and it's so pretty. So I just hydrated my lips with Aquaphor, and now I'm taking a gloss and putting it over this. So pretty.